And this is the finished product. Hello, welcome back to our channel, Think About Styles. Today we're gonna make beef and pork teriyaki.
Your version, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what are the ingredients?
First, bell pepper, which is a side. Onion, which I'm gonna cut. Beef, I don't know, I think it's beef, and pork.
Yeah, this is
What-
beef, brisket.
What is that oil?
It's just oil.
Okay. And garlic, which will make it salt, but I'm both salty
And this is your sauce.
yeah.
Wow, it's gluten-free, soy-free sauce. Where did you get it? I think it's from Sprouts.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So what do you need to do first?
First, you just, if you have this, you just, and if you have garlic, you have to.
It's a garlic presser.
Yeah,
Yeah, you
I
use
still-
it to mince.
How do I use this?
You press, and then you twist.
Okay.
You have to use your both hands. It's not easy, but you can do it. Go. So you just twist. There you go. So if you don't have this, you can find it on Amazon. It's really nice because it's a garlic presser. Not only that, you can also use it for mincing the onions, or sometimes I use it for ginger. But not for bell peppers.
You can use that and then that, right?
Yeah.
It's fully minced.
Can I see? So it's like this. See how nice, right? So cool it down. I just set it aside. You will use it later. Okay, next, what are you gonna do? Which one are you gonna slice? The onions.
I don't know how to slice it, but I think you.
Yeah, just slice it. Cut that part.
Wait, I need to wash this so the chemicals. Yeah. That's what you need to do.
What chemicals are there?
They make you cry.
Oh, yeah. You have to wash the knife, make it wet, so it won't make you. Wow.
I don't believe in onions.
All right.
And done.
Yeah. So you save the other half.
It's coconut.
Is it? Okay. Now
ripped
save the other half because you only need a few of that.
I'm gonna save that since
Okay.
I only like using the one that. Yeah.
Okay. Now you cut that into smaller pieces.
Okay.
Remove the
Yeah.
skin.
Yeah, I know what to do.
Okay. Yeah. There you go. You're having fun. All right. I think it's okay. It's a kid's version.
Onion juice.
Okay, so how are you gonna cut your bell pepper?
Dun-dun-dun-dun.
Okay, I'm just letting you slice it. You'll figure it out.
Yeah, I already figured it out. I just ripped out the guts.
Okay.
Now.
Okay, now it's time to cook. It's already open. Just a little bit, just for saute. Just enough to saute the. There you go. Use the spoon, the teaspoon. Like that. Yeah, everything. Is that your food? Go for it. Oops, you still have two. There you go.
Oh, I see some steam coming off of it.
Okay, how does it look like? It's not cooked yet, so you have to wait a little bit. So, reddish.
I really wish I had a spatula because it's not easy to.
I know we don't have a smaller one. Go, now put the beef. Oh, that's done. Put the beef. Yay! Oops. Alright. There, you gotta cook the beef and then you'll put the sauce later, okay?
I'm gonna make the cook.
Cook that one, put the sauce, right?
Yeah.
The last one will be the bell pepper because you don't want it too soft. Okay, yeah, you wait, James. We'll cover it and you wait. Now you put the teriyaki sauce, just a little bit there. There you go.
Ow.
Stir it, stir it. Now you put your bell pepper. Now you're gonna put your bell pepper. Put your bell pepper, all of it. Alright.
I also added some broccoli, which.
Go curry first.
Why does it taste so? Why does it smell so good?
Because you cook it. Alright, that's
I
your
wanna
first dish that you really cook. Aside from air frying nuggets, fish sticks.
And this is the finished product.
Wow.
Almost, because I haven't finished moving the rice.
So you have the rice, your beef and pork,
Yeah.
broccoli, and your bell pepper. And you
Yeah.
want it separated, right?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I want to mold the rice and I want to put the bell pepper in my bell pepper bowl over there.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Ow!
Looks good. Yay, perfect.
Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to Think About Styles. Bye.